there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the V Stitch Waffle, also known as the reversible V Stitch. And it's called reversible V Stitch because you have the V stitches on both sides, and it's quite a texture and thick pattern, and that's why it's also called a waffle pattern. And this is the swatch I made in 2 colors. This is a 2 repeat color pattern, so 2 in green, 2 in pink, and so on. And here you can see the V stitches better on both sides are the same. And this is such an easy pattern to make. It's a 1 row repeat, and it's one of those stitches you crochet in front of the TV watching your favorite show. You don't have to count stitches, you don't have to keep track of rows or anything like that. So let's get started. For this tutorial I'm going to use Aran yarn in dark pink and a 5mm crochet hook, and you can use any yarn you like for this pattern with a matching hook. And this pattern is really nice for winter blankets, clothes, hats, scarves. It's so squishy and so soft and textured. Alright, so let's start. This pattern requires you to chain multiples of 5 chains. My starting chain has 30. To start row 1, make 2 double crochet in a 6th chain from the hook. So let's make 2 double crochet stitches in that chain. Then we make a chain and we make 2 double crochet in the next chain. Now skip 3 chains, and in the 4th one we are making 2 double crochet. Then chain 1, and in the next chain we make 2 double crochet. And now from this point on we repeat this section where we skip 3 chains and then make 2 double crochet in the next one, chain 1, and 2 double crochet in the next chain. So let's make this row and I'll show you the repeats. So again, skip 3 and in the 4th one make 2 double crochet. Chain 1, and then in the next chain make 2 double crochet, and that is 1 repeat. And just do that until the end of the row, until you have 3 chains left. So let's skip 3, and in the 4th one we make 2 double crochet, then chain 1, and in the following chain make 2 double crochet. And again we skip 3 chains, in the 4th one make a double crochet, chain 1, and make 2 double crochet in the next chain. And now we have 3 chains left. Skip 2 chains, and in the last one we make a double crochet, and that will be your straight edge. These double crochet stitches on the sides will make your work straight, so it will be a straight edge. And this is your first row, and now we turn and chain 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. Then we skip the next stitch, and around the next stitches post we make a from post double crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, insert your hook around that post, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then yarn over, pull to through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now in the next chain 1 space, make a V stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same space, and this is called a V stitch. In the next stitch, make a front post double crochet, and now we repeat this section here from the front post double crochet, V stitch, front post double crochet. We repeat this until the end of the round. So skip 2, and around the next post make a front post double crochet, then a V stitch, then a front post double crochet in the next around the next stitch, and again skip 2 and a front post double crochet around the next double crochet stitch, then in the chain space make a V stitch, and in around the next chain next stitch make a front post double crochet. And again, like I said, we repeat, skip 2 stitches, front post double crochet, a V stitch in a chain space, then another front post double crochet around the next post, then we skip 2 again and we are on to our last cluster. So let's make our last repeat, front post double crochet, make a V stitch in a chain 1 space, chain 1, and then make a front post double crochet. And now we reach the end of the round, and we have 2 stitches left, one from the double crochet, one from the chain at the beginning. We skip the first stitch, which is the double crochet, and make a double crochet on top chain right here. So this is your straight edge stitch, and this is your second row, and from this point on all you have to do is repeat this second row until you have the desired length. And it's really easy. You just make you work in these V stitches and ignore the rest of the stitches. And this is my sample again. Let me show you how it will look after you make multiple rows. It's so thick and soft and double-sided, a really nice pattern. And this is how you crochet the V Stitch Waffle, also called the reversible V stitch. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer all of them. Happy crocheting!